1. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your left side can improve blood flow and reduce pressure on organs, which can help reduce snoring. 2. Elevate your upper body. Raise the top of your bed or use an elevated pillow to keep your airway open during sleep. 3. Try nasal strips. Nasal strips, saline washes, or nasal dilators can help you breathe through your nose and reduce snoring. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Staying within the recommended weight range can reduce the risk of breathing problems during sleep. 5. Follow good sleep habits. Get enough sleep. Avoid being overly tired, limit naps to 30 minutes, and avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime.